Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best childproof gas stove knobs you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many childproof gas stove knobs and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each childproof gas stove knobs so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a childproof gas stove knob. First, you need to check the material quality because strong, heat-resistant materials ensure durability and safety around children. Next, consider the compatibility with your stove model, as not all knobs fit every stove design. Also, look for an easy installation process that doesn't require any tools or professional help. Another important factor is the locking mechanism. It should be secure yet simple for adults to operate. Transparency in design can also help you monitor the knob's position easily. Lastly, read user reviews to understand real-life performance and reliability. Paying attention to these details will help you choose the safest and most convenient option for your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.